Alrighty, we're going to run through how to start 800 or 700 quick cut still. The same principle, pretty much the same saw. So you've got your choke down here, got decompression over there, which we won't be using. You've got the start down in here. The stop is right up that way, and then the start is all the way down. All you need to make sure is that this start is all the way down with the trigger pressed in a bit. That'll give you a little bit of throttle then, and then the choke is all the way down. The most important thing about these, starting these, is make sure that you don't go past the burp, and we'll check that now when we give it a couple of pulls. Because if you go past the choke basically and you keep pulling it on that, if you go past the burp, as I call it, and you keep pulling it on the choke, then it's as good as flooded. The only way you'll actually get it to a point where it's not flooded is actually go to just the normal run on the choke, and then it'll take a good few pulls depending on how badly flooded it is. It'll take a good few pulls, but we're showing you how to start it in about 4. It should only take about 4 pulls, maybe 5. But you just prime it up here on the right hand side of the saw. Give it plenty of prime, just like that, and then, as I say, get the start. Just give it a little bit of throttle, and then push that. It's a little bit hard to see it on the stand now, but it's just push that little switch all the way down. So all the way down there, and give it a bit of throttle, and then obviously the choke, as we spoke about before, all the way down toward the point where it says choke, and then you can just pull then. So hear that burp? That's what I call the burp, where the engine just kind of, you know what I mean, does a little kick over. And then don't keep pulling it. As soon as it does that, it might take 1, 2, 3 pulls, get to that, and then you go to the next stage on the choke, which is the midpoint there, and then you can pull again, then probably another 2 or 3 pulls. That's pretty much it. What was that? 4 pulls, was it?
2.
5. 2 on the start, and then 2
Well,
on
2
the,
on the start after the
four pulls all up, like, so that's pretty much it. You can be pulling these all day. If you go past that burp, that's the main thing. But when you don't go past that burp, that's it. You'll start on about 4 pulls maximum, and that's it. Thank you.
Yeah.